Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are thrilled to offer this KTM RC125. Registered the 22nd of July 2024 on a 24 plate with 4,927 miles. This desirable 125 sports bike benefits from main dealer service history and must-have Akrapovic exhaust and additional factory racing decal set. The RC125 is the ultimate learner legal sports bike that blends Moto GP-inspired performance with cutting-edge technology, all in a CBT-friendly package. The Moto GP-inspired bodywork is sleek, aggressive, and ready to turn heads wherever you go. The four-piston Bybre front caliper and KTM Supermoto ABS system ensure you've got the stopping power you need when it matters most. The TFT display adapts to light conditions automatically, ensuring perfect visibility day or night, and phone connectivity is possible with the KTM My Ride app. This desirable sports bike will leave us serviced, where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection and remainder of the manufacturer's warranty for your peace of mind. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note, we have a small £75 admin fee, applicable to all our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01 424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.